Good morning, viewers. Today I want to discuss a topic about new functionality which is developed on GST portal for the month of July 2021. See, there are three new functionalities which are developed which we are going to discuss. First, there is an option of download HSN sheet from GST portal. Yes, now you can download HSN SAC code Excel sheet from the portal itself. The second update is in relation to CMP08, composition taxpayer. Now they can report negative liability in CMP08. And third is now you can view electronic cash ledger, electronic credit ledger up to 12 months. So we will understand each and every topic in detail. First part, download HSN Excel sheet from GST portal. What is this? See, say I'm a registered person. I am supplying goods or say I'm supplying services. I am required to give details of HSN, Harmonized System Nomenclature, if I'm supplying goods. And I am required to give details of SAC, Service Accounting Code, if I am supplying services in my GSTR. Say I'm supplying vegetable, this is HSN. I'm supplying chemical product, this is the HSN. I'm selling toys, this is the HSN. Correct. Say I'm supplying renting services or consultancy service. These are my services accounting code. So each goods, each product, each service have a separate HSN SAC code. Now many taxpayers were frustrated that how to find this HSN, how to find this SAC code. There is difficulty in classification. If we report incorrect, then it will be incorrect GSTR1. Please give us the solution. That's why GST portal has made this update. Now, the registered people, they can download this HSN or Excel sheet and it is developed in such a way that the product names are written which are commonly used in trade. वो भी benefit दिया हुआ है. Okay, so now you will be able to understand HSN and SSE easily. See, when you log in, go to user services, there is an option of search HSN code. You can see download HSN in Excel format. Download this. Entire HSN will open. Whatever product you are selling, you can search and you can get your HSN. Okay. See, if you are supplying any kind of product, chemicals, toys, etc. Everywhere HSN is available and same way SAC is also available. If you are supplying renting services, construction services, transportation services, service-wise, services accounting code are given here. So please download this Excel sheet and take the benefit. Clear? So this was the first update. Second update on portal, this is really important. Negative liability. CMP08 for composition scheme dealer. Now they can report negative liability. See, what is this? Say I'm a supplier, a composition scheme dealer. I am required to file quarterly GST return, CMP08. Say for the quarter of April to June, I have sold goods of rupees 25 lakh to a recipient, Mr. Ratan Tata sir. Okay, composition taxpayer required to pay 1% on the sale. So I paid 25,000 GST to the government for April to June. Now let us take for the next month. Next quarter, say quarter of July to September 21. Say I sold goods of rupees 10 lakh in July to September. But the goods which I had sold in April to June to Mr. Ratan Tata, he has returned the same goods of 25 lakh. पूरे goods वापस आ गए 25 lakh के. So if you carefully see, for the quarter of July to September, how much was my outward supply? Only 10 lakh. GST liability is 10,000. But how much goods are returned to me? 25 lakh. So in fact, I am required to take refund or adjust this negative liability of 25,000. So 10 minus 25. I have a final negative GST liability of 15,000. Can I carry forward? What should I do? GST portal was not allowing the negative figures. Yes, you cannot incorporate negative figures. कर ही नहीं पाते थे. But now finally एक update आया. GST portal has finally given update that in CMP08 they are allowing negative balance. Yes, this is the benefit. This negative balance, it shall be maintained in negative liability statement of the composition taxpayer. Yes, now you can report negative figures. See this. See, now say this is a taxpayer's login of composition scheme. You can see negative liability statement. Click on that. Click on that. See this. Now you will be, if unfortunately I don't have negative liability of my client, else I would have shown you. But here you will get negative liability statement. Okay, this benefit should also be given to regular taxpayer who are filing GSTR 1 and 3B. We also are facing this problem. हमारी भी तो हो सकती है, but currently this benefit is extended only to composition taxpayers. Okay, third advantage, third new functionality, facility to view ledger for 12 months and download. See this. Say I'm a registered person. Whatever GST I pay, whatever tax I pay, it goes to which ledger? Electronic cash ledger. And whatever input tax credit I have, it goes to which ledger, sir? Electronic credit ledger. Now we could view this or we could download maximum for 6 months. Maximum 6 महीने का कर सकते थे to reconcile etc. No? So we were facing this issue. सिर्फ 6 महीना कर रहे हो. But now GST portal has given one update. Now you can view electronic cash ledger, electronic credit ledger. You can view as well as you can download. From 6 months, this facility is extended up to 12 months. So people, taxpayer, registered person, they can download this for the entire year. 12 months का आप लोग कर सकते हो. See this. Services. You go to ledger. I've opened electronic cash ledger. I'm opening this from 26 July 2020 to 24 July 2021. 12 months. The portal is able to view. We are able to view this. And portal is allowing us to download also. Getting it? So this was the important update. Electronic cash ledger, credit ledger. Now you can also view for 12 months. So this were the three new important functionality which is developed on portal. Please take advantage of it. Many new functionalities are going to come. We will discuss this. Okay, so stay tuned for more such updates on my YouTube channel. Goodbye everyone. Take care.